Hello students, I hope all of you are safe and healthy. Today we are going to talk about the most awaited option by some students, option 3 for summer internship 2020. You are already aware that you have three options to do the summer internship. You can choose any one option out of it. Option 1 is work from home. We have already discussed and link has already been shared with you. Option 2 is through MOOC. MOOC have different guidelines which were earlier shared with you already. And today we are going to talk about option 3 where the challenging problem is the point which student need to do. In option 3, student is required to make a project. Under this option, you are required to prepare detailed project report for which you will give us some details. Once a project has been approved by training and placement cell, you can continue working under that. Your project report should include the topic, problem statement, relevance of the topic, review of literature, research methodology, which clearly tells about research design, hypothesis, sample size, data collection, research instrument if required, research tools, etc. All these information are required. Apart from these 4 points, you need to do the data analysis, finding, recommendation, implication of the study on society, academic community, and references. The project report should be elaborative in nature and should provide a comprehensive view of the selected topic by you. Student will be evaluated by a panel of external experts or internal experts on the project idea. The link for the project option 3 is here. Once you click on the link, the project 3 option form will open. Here you need to first provide the details of your email, registration number, name of student. Then first thing you have to provide is the topic, problem statement. One of the example given is problem statement can be analysis of promotion mix as a tool of marketing communication. Now, after that you have to select the area of a topic. The topic which is stated above is related to the marketing. So you can select here sales and marketing. If your topic is related to finance, you can select finance, or if it is operation, or there are many options given. If your option is not available, you can choose others where you can fill under which heading your project title falls, which category. Then you are supposed to give the brief description of the project, which clearly describing the role of student and the proposed methodology. One example we have taken, it's an independent example not related to the above 2 points which we have discussed. In description you can write down, this study may focus on checking the behavioral changes of the Indians in the situation of COVID-19. These changes can be toward learning books, doing online certification courses, subscribing web series, etc. This can be a service based primary study. So like this example, you have to briefly describe your project. Then every research project has its objective. Minimum 2 objectives you are required to give. Like in the objective 1, you can write down to examine the role of SHGs in the development of rural women. One objective of my study. Second objective can be to find out the different income generating activities of self-help groups, SHGs, that empower women, right? And if you have more than 2 objectives, you can fill it here. Or objective 3 is optional. If let's say you have 4 objectives, you can fill the objective 3 and objective 4 in the option of objective 3 only. You can state point 3 objective and you can state point 4 objective. On even if you have a 5th objective, you can state 5th objective in this option. only, right? Then the last option is you have to explain the contribution of the study. The study example one given is the study will contribute toward these societal issues and promote self-help groups for the development of rural women, right? All the examples which has been explained in any of the point, they have no relation necessarily to the previous option given. They are just the examples to explain you how you write down that. Then in the end you have to accept the guidelines. The major guideline for the project 3 is the plagiarism report of the project which you will make should be 10% or less. Any student who after listening to the option 3 if still interested in option 1 or option 2, both options are open. You can fill the link. If your option 1 or option 2 has been rejected and the reason has been given, daily at 4 p.m. that link open again for the students whose project or the work from home company has been rejected. If you haven't filled the details, the form is open 24/7 for you. Now all the three options are available to you. Please choose the option wisely which helps you in your career and in the placement or any perspective you think. All the best. God bless you all.